Hi, welcome back to the Invespiration channel. I'm coming to you tonight with a video about NFT Art Finance. This video was actually requested by one of my subscribers. So if you are watching, this is the video you requested. This is also to anybody that is interested in this token. I have some information to share with you. Hopefully that is going to guide you in making decisions concerning your investments. Stay right with me. I'll be right back so we can go ahead and take a look at this token. Hi everybody, so thank you for hanging around with me. So let's go ahead and dive right into NFT Art Finance. So first off, this is the website of this token, NFT Art Finance. So I'm just interested in looking at what their tokenomics look like, because this is I wouldn't call it a meme coin, but it's within all those new category of deflationary tokens. But NFT Art Finance is looking to bring some utility. So just for example, let's just say hello to a decentralized network connecting content creators, musicians, artists, and investors. So that's what they are looking to do. As we all know, the NFT market has been around for a while, but it's beginning to actually be in the uptick quite recently, especially within 2021. So they are looking for a way for people to convert their visual arts, their audio, into NFTs, and they are gonna come out with applications for both Android and iOS devices or mobile phones. That way you are able to create NFTs right on your phone. So that is quite interesting, right? So that is what they are working on now. And let's get to what their tokenomics is looking like. So what they are saying is there's no owners for this token. Ownership was renounced on day one. This means that the code cannot be changed by anyone, which is great if that is what it is. It's deflationary, just like all these new tokens and coins that are coming out. They do have a 10% tax that is charged per transaction, buy or sell. 5% gets burnt, which is good, and 5 goes back to all holders. So the more you hold, the more you gain. Utility. So this is what they are talking about. The NFT Art token will be powering our platform. So on their platform, they are going to create the NFT platform. The NFT Art token, which is what we are actually discussing now, is what is going to power everything in that ecosystem. All right. So there's a passive income of that 5% we just talked about, redistribution from transactions, right? Okay, and if you scroll down, they said they did get audited by TechRate. Okay, there's low transaction fees, Binance merchant, low transaction fee, make creating and trading NFT art affordable for anyone. And yeah, Binance really the Binance merchant does have lower fees when you compare to the Ethereum network. And a little bit about this though, I don't know if anyone has any information or any direct link or just how we can validate this, that they actually did get audited. I know they said that, and I believe they did, but I just couldn't find it. I went on the TechRate website, and TechRate, for anyone who doesn't know, they offer blockchain solutions and consulting. And actually, what they do smart contract auditing. So you come out with your token or your coin, they do an audit to make sure security is there and the contract really works as intended, right? So I did go on the website, and if you go, you can see all the companies that they did audit. I went through all of them. I did not see NFT Art Finance, and when you scroll down, there's still a lot of them down below. And you can go ahead and look into that if you have any information, again, just to confirm that they did get audited, or how I can find that out or validate that. Please share with me so I can know, but I did not see that on here. I went through all these step by step. Now I may have just overlooked it, but honestly I think I did not see it, so I just wanted to bring that information to you. But again, they said they did get audited, and if it's actually valid, then yeah, they do have a TechRate audit, which makes it more reliable. Their tokenomics, 50% was burnt outright, and now just to say they do have a lot of tokens. They have 100 quadrillion, and Most of these coins, I think because it's deflationary, they intend or they do it on purpose just to have a lot and burn it over time to make the coin become valuable and attract more investors as it deflates, right? But 100 quadrillion is a lot, but anyways, they did burn 50% of that, which left 50%. Yes, which left 50%, and that is 50 quadrillion still in liquidity. But 4% goes to the development and marketing fund, but they did say initially that there's no ownership, but this percentage is owned by the development and marketing fund. So to me, that still looks like it's ownership right there. But anyways, that is that. And down below here you can see 33% is in circulating supply, 67% burnt already. Now that is huge. Looks to me like the coin is deflating, and over time we should expect to see the value go up, especially when the market picks back up and when more people start to really take NFTs seriously and begin to invest in these NFT tokens, right? So but anyways, this is good right there. That's just on their website. Feel free to go ahead and look into that in detail for yourself. Okay, so in their white paper, there's not a lot much here. We already went through that on the website, but what I just like to go through here is about their NFT platform, right? It's powered by three main components. The first one is they will be using IPFS, right, and Filecoin as our decentralized storage providers, which is good. Filecoin is really for file sharing and storage. IPFS, interplanetary file systems. That is actually it's like a peer-to-peer network that allows you to store and retrieve files, right? Which is good, and Filecoin actually operates in this protocol, so that is good for NFTs. Our utility token NFT art will function as the native way of payment for the service, and we already went through that. So to do anything on the NFT art platform, you're gonna need to have the NFT art token to be able to buy, and then when you sell your tokens, you get it in that, and you can, you know, move it however you want. But that is that, and they're gonna have an NFT minter powered by the Binance Smart Chain. All right, and it's gonna adhere to the Ethereum standards, which is good. So it's gonna be powered by BSC, but it's gonna adhere to the ERC 721 and also ERC 1155, which are some kind of Ethereum standards. Now that is good. It sounds to me like something cross chain right there, which is great. Okay, so according to their roadmap, just to walk through that quickly and briefly, this is May is gone, which means they already launched their beta launch for staking integration and whitelisted onboarding. Okay, this is June, NFT platform launch, public onboarding. And I was going through their Twitter, and I think this is what they are referring to. They are launching the NFT platform, and if you go to their Twitter, you can actually go right there, enter art. It's going to redirect you to the website, and I see people are actually beginning to list NFTs there and list them for sale. So it's a lot of different ones right there, and you can go ahead and check that out for yourself. Again, I will link that below for you to see, but it's on their Twitter page. If you go on NFT art page, and you're gonna see them putting this, and this is actually 8 hours ago, right? So you just click on that. That is gonna lead you there, and there are a lot more on their different NFTs, but that is cool. Okay, so now let's talk about the price. What is the price looking like? Currently the price is sitting at 1, which is 7 zeros and 1, and it's about 17%, about 18% down right now, which is a little bit low. And this token has been going down. If you look at the trend, it did get some big spikes here somewhere around April 26 to the beginning of May. It did get some big spikes, but it looks like it's been kind of struggling and really been consolidating for a long time. And there was another spike here around May 11th. Then the same thing happened, right? So it's kind of consolidating right now. I don't see it like falling like what happened here. So people did take profits, I believe, here right after it was launched not long ago. And I think this thing was launched around I don't know, it's showing me here around 26 April, but according to CoinHunt, it mentioned May 17. So I don't know what is the actual date this was launched, but what I do know is, just to be frank with you guys, I did pick up a few of these coins myself somewhere around the beginning of May, and I still have them. I've been watching it fluctuate, but I just want to hold it for a while because I do think NFTs is a thing that is coming. I don't know how big that is going to be, but again, there is that. So go ahead and look for the trends for yourself on CoinMarketCap, and also you can check on CoinGecko. All right, so when I went to the Binance BSC scan just to see how many holders this coin had, it actually does have a lot of holders, 414,000, and I believe it's still growing, and it's got about 1,300,000 wallets, almost 1.4 million. So that is huge. It means people are definitely interested in this token. And if you see here, it's got about 98,000 watchers. So that is good. I haven't seen this trend in like the most viewed tokens. I haven't seen a trend there. If you have, please let me know, but I haven't seen it. But I do think it's very interesting, and it's kind of have some sort of utility. And so this is something that I found on Yahoo Finance. It's not just for NFT art, but it's actually for NFTs in general. All right, so what they are saying is, if you go to this website, right, according to nonfungible.com, a website that tracks data on NFTs, the total sales of NFTs soared from more than 2 billion in the first quarter of 2021, more than 20 times the volume of the previous quarter. So think about that. That is huge. It soared to more than 2 billion just in the first quarter of 2021, and this is more than 20 times the previous quarter. So it does tell you that NFTs are becoming a thing of interest for investors, and especially with, you know, things are changing. I just see it as a trend, in my opinion. So there's going to be a bandwagon effect there, and also it's just going to have some sort of value because digitization is really becoming a thing overall in a lot of things, and NFTs is a big part of that. Especially, you know, we can use crypto to trade on that, which is why all these tokens are coming out anyway. So that is that. It's all part of the decentralization, right? So that is that. So just wanted to bring that to your attention, that there's a big value in the general NFT market as a whole. So NFT Art Finance, that tells me, you know, it does look like it may have some value if they actually deliver. But a lot more is down below here. I'll leave the link for you to read and just see if you find anything interest right here for you. And again, this is another website, cointobuy.io, and it's also talking about NFT Art Finance, to be specific. It's giving it some ratings. Now they do give ratings to different coins and, you know, different cryptos, but this is specifically for NFT Art Finance, right? They are saying the current price is about 0, which it is, and according to NFT Art Finance analysis, you are there's a 2.4 safety rating out of 10, which is pretty low, and you can see that right here. They have different ways of calculating that. I have no idea. I'm just bringing that to you and sharing to you, so you can add that to you know, your guide before you make any decision. So it does have a very pretty low scoring in terms of safety, but it did have a lot of return of investment as of the time they put this up. Okay, 468% expected profit, with the value going to 0. So with the value even still going to 0, there is still expected profit of this that can be made out of it if you manage your risk, of course. The main ranking factor for this crypto asset is user voting. So users for this coin, or owners, I would assume, the people do vote, or maybe users of this platform vote. I'm not sure how that works, but anyways, that is what that is. So they said to estimate the return that can be obtained from NFT Art Finance investment in 2021, the computer has analyzed the daily prices of cryptocurrency for the past 6 months. So it did compute it for 6 months, I believe. 6 months moving averages, whatever they are doing about. There you go with that. And you can use this NFT Art Finance research to verify if it is worth to invest in the crypto and how trusted or risky the investment is. So that is that. Just use this information as a guide. I don't know how to validate that, but I'm just sharing with you. And also lastly, this is another website called calkinmedia.com or Calkin Media. I don't know how to say it exactly, but I think it's Calkin Media. Okay, so they are also talking about NFT trends. That could they say, let us look at NFT trends that could be the key catalyst behind this coin's boom. Now they were referring to a coin called NFT. NFT Art Finance. Sorry about that. So they were referring to NFT Art Finance to be specific, and they are saying it's been doing great, right? And if you look here, they said the coin skyrocketed by 263% in the past 24 hours. And I believe this was when was this published? Was it this was way back in April of 26? So that is a little bit old, but just to tell you where this coin has been and where it is now. So it did get its own gains over the past month or past few months. It did get a lot of gain, and at some point the price was up to 0.4. Now we are at 0.1, so you can see that is about 300% loss from what it was. Okay, so it can go back to that all-time high or even more. Okay, so and they said let's look at here what could be a cause of that. On March 11, they said Mike Winkelmann, Beeple, I don't know who that is, a US-based digital artist, sold a digital artwork for $69 million through a first-of-its-kind blockchain technology-led auction. So he sold some kind of auction for $69 million. And then also Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey swapped his first ever tweet that he sent out himself way back in 2006. He sold it for about $2.9 million. That's also a lot of money. Okay, and then he did receive it in Ether, exchanged it to Bitcoin, and donated the amount to African community. Oh, that's nice. He's such a nice guy. I like that. Okay, just to let you guys know, I like donations. I like people that, you know, just philanthropy stuff. I like that. Okay, so on March 22nd, Elon Musk also shared a techno track based on NFT. He tweeted that he would like to sell the techno music as an NFT, but later pulled back, saying it is not for sale. And that's funny. And I'm saying it's funny because he just, you know, he tweeted about Bitcoin. He's all over the thing, and all of a sudden he doesn't. He pulled back again. Bitcoin is not energy conserving. And I love Elon Musk, by the way. I'm not a critic. I just think sometimes he, you know, I don't know. That was just by the way, but I like the guy, but you know, that was just by the way. Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you. Okay, but what is my advice on this? Just to let you guys know, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you invest in any of these coins. Okay, take everything I tell you with a grain of salt. I just share to you what I know. It's up to you to make your own decisions. But like I said, I do hold a few of these tokens, not a lot, just a little bit, throw in there just to watch it, see where it goes. If it becomes something, at least you have a little bit of it. That's just how I do, and I manage my risk. But then looking at the trend, the way things have been going, especially looking at Yahoo Finance and what they are just talking about here, I do think that NFTs do have a place in the market, and things are changing, and I do see this thing skyrocketing if the market gains more traction and things become more normal. So again, this was just to share with you what I found. This was requested by one of my subscribers. If there is any video any token you would want me to make a video about, please list them below in the comments. I will respond to you as I can, as soon as I can. All right, and also please support the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Keep it trending. Let's gain more subscribers so I can bring back more videos to you. All right, until then, I will talk to you guys all later. Take care.